Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So we had to move our spot because the sun is coming up. It's getting bright outside. It's going to be a beautiful day. I'm so excited. I love a pretty day. Unfortunately, the view isn't quite as nice, but at least we're outside. And I think you should be able to hear the birds. Yeah, you still can, right? Why? You want to say hi? Where's he at? I think he's under my chair. I'm sure you'll see him at some point in this video. He's here. Excited because today my Natalie Attired came, and that's what today's video is about. Natalie Attired is a subscription styling service. Fill out a profile, get a stylist. There is a styling fee, comes off of anything that you keep. Natalie Attired has a nice fee structure, discount structure, because you don't have to buy all to get a discount. So if you obviously keep one item, you get your styling fee off of it. And if you keep more items, which let me get in here, make sure I get it right. If you keep all, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20% off. There's a $20 styling fee, comes off if you keep 1 or 2 items. So you get 5 items, and let's see what I got. Here's the inside of my box. You do get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. Free shipping both ways. You do get a note from your stylist, which I'll read in a moment. And this actually does run over the discount structure for you right on the back. It says you have 3 days of receiving your collection to sign into your account and decide what you want to keep and what you want to return. I think I might be hitting my 3 days because I was out of town, so we got to get this done, don't we? And yeah, it does say that if you share with your friends that you get a discount. Yeah, so if I will share my link down below, and if you guys use my discount, I get a $25 credit. I wasn't sure if you guys get a discount too. That's what I was looking at, but it doesn't mention that here, so sorry. That's what I was looking for. All right, let me get this bundle out. Here is my bundle. This looks promising. I see color. Looks fun, right? All right, so let's rip into here. So I love how they will fold everything. Like they'll fold items inside if they're pairing them together. So this is a really soft cardigan. It looks like they have a t-shirt paired inside here. So let's check it out. I love that. So here's what it looks like together before I go ripping it apart. This is a pretty mauve colors. Pretty. So first up is a short sleeve pink tee by 00. It's very soft, little pocket tee. Isn't that cute? And by Miracle USA, a cardigan. And this is a small medium, so we'll have to see how this fits. But the colors are very pretty. So this is definitely a fall ready box. But I like this. Very soft. Next up is a top, it looks like, by Calvin Klein in pink and black and white. Has the little roll tab sleeves. And a little button front at the top here. That's pretty. Doesn't have a high neck. It does have the little tabs here at the shoulder. And the t-shirt hem. Alright, and what else we got here? A top by Philosophy. That's a mixed media. So it's polka dot silky in the front and the jersey black, plain black in the back. So that's nice. And just black denim is the last item. Check these out. in a pretty, I would call this wine. Let me see what they're calling it. Merlot. Close, right? In this pretty Merlot color. So these have some nice stretch to them. And they are basic until you get to the ankle. Check out the ankle. They're fringy. I think that's cute. And these are just, it doesn't say if they're, let me see if they're an ankle. They just say they're a crop. So it says the crop fringe skinny jean. Cute. All right, that's all 5 pieces. My stylist is Renee. And she said, hi Laura, I chose a couple of tops that will look great with the blush cardigan you purchased last month. I also chose a cardi and super soft tee to go with the burgundy frayed jeans and booties. Love watching your videos. That's so sweet. She's watching my videos. That's awesome. Happy fall, Renee. These are awesome. So let's get to the try on and then we can talk pricing. I'll be right back. So I have the first outfit on, which is the basic tee in this nice mauve color. It's very soft, has the nice t-shirt hem, comes up on the sides. Very great basic. I have it on with the Just Black denim fun little crops with the fringy bottom. I have to say I like them. I think they're so fun and different. I think I have a pair like this in a regular denim color, but nothing in a colored denim, right? So I have a regular blue denim, nothing with a colored denim. But what do you guys think of these? I think they're fun. We'll have to see how much they are, but they're different. I put on, of course, my pink Toms. You guys are very familiar with that I wear a lot. They were an awesome Stitch Fix purchase. It's a cute outfit. The t-shirt fits, nothing wrong with it. The jeans fit perfectly, nothing wrong with them. They have some great stretch. I'm picking off fuzz and strings and stuff I keep seeing here from the box, I think. But I think 2 very good items. I don't normally like t-shirts, but this one is a V-neck, so I actually don't mind it. And let's try it on with the cardigan. It's getting warm outside, so I'm glad I'm doing this earlier in the morning because it's going to be a hot day today, I think. So this is the cardigan, and this was a small medium. I was actually expecting it to be even bigger, so it is oversized. It goes very well with these pants. I think I would like it better with a different shirt, maybe white or a brighter pink, but it's not bad. I'm still seeing more fuzz. Sorry guys. Here's what it looks like. Has pockets, big pockets. It's very soft. Get a little bit closer so you guys can see the pattern. I like it with the jeans. I think it's very nice. Be nice and cozy going into fall. What do you guys think? It is a little bit oversized, but not terrible. But maybe that's where the fuzzies are coming from, huh? Look, I'm getting more of them. Oh my, look. Do you guys see that? Can you see the fuzzies coming off of this sweater? I wonder if I could put it in the dryer, if that would get them all off, if it's just because it's new. But that's where it appears the fuzzies are coming from. So I'd have to see about that. Alright. I like it though. But let's do another outfit. Next up is the mixed media top with the polka dots and the silky in the front and the jersey plain black in the back. I did a front tuck. I still have the pants on. Here's the full look. I just put on black sandals. Since it is warm, I'm not doing booties right now. I'm going to have plenty of months where I can show you guys fall shoes. Pennsylvania stays cold for a really long time, so we got plenty of time for that. So we'll ease into it if you guys are okay with that. But this isn't a bad top. It's cute. I like it. It'd be nice under jackets. It's nice by itself. It looks nice with the Merlot pants. This is what it looks like untucked. It's longer. So I think it's nice. I like, again, that it's a V-neck. Has a little bit of a sleeve to it. Be nice for work or for casual. Okay, I got one more top. Last top is this Calvin Klein black and pink floral. Has some white in it too, so here's a close-up look of it. I just put on regular jeans with it, and again my pink Toms. I think it's cute. I'm not loving these roll top sleeves, so take a look at them before I undo them, because they're kind of bunching in a wrong spot for me, and I want to see what it looks like as a regular sleeve going into fall. And the sleeve's a little bit long, so it looks like I'm going to have to cuff it, which is not abnormal for me. Okay, there we go. Now that's what it looks like as a regular blouse, which I feel like I like a little bit better. What do you guys think? It's not bad. It has the two faux pockets, so these aren't actual boot pockets here. These are just faux pockets, so it's basically just flaps. I could do a front tuck here and show what that looks like. But I think this would be nice with skirts and dress pants as well, hopefully, if I can get this tucked in nicely. There we go. Maybe. Now I feel like it's sticking out. Alright guys, sorry. Do a nice front tuck or not? Alright, I think I got it. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. As long as it's not sticking out in the front, I think that's better. Alright, and she mentioned that it goes with the cardigan I kept in my last box, which is this one. So this was a Philosophy cardi, and it does go very nicely with this one. So I brought it out to show you. Because she also paired it with several tops in that box as well. So here it is. It does look nice together. Alright, that's everything. So let's talk pricing. So what did you guys think of that try on? I thought that was fun. I thought my stylist did an awesome job. So good job, Renee. Thank you very much. These were great styles going into fall. I thought you made some great selections. Look who I found. Wyatt was acting crazy, so I grabbed him. You want to say hi to everybody? You're such a goofball. Yes, you are. So let's talk pricing. For all 5 items, the total is $266 with the 30% off plus my $20 styling fee. I believe if I kept everything, my total would come down to $172. I don't think that's too bad. So let's talk individually. So the sleeveless V-neck pocket top, that would be the first item I tried on, the little pocket tee. That's this one. $24. So not bad. If I did keep it, 30% off. If I kept all, that would drop it down significantly. That would be, what, another $6 off, so it'd be like $18. Not bad. It's a maybe if I keep everything. The long sleeve cardigan. That's this one. What did you guys think of this? It's by MIRACL. $59. So I don't think it's a bad price, especially if I were to get 30% off of it. I'm just worried about getting the shedding to come off a bit, right? So I'm wondering if I put it in the dryer for a little bit, if I could get all the, or if I shake it out. I just want to make some, still seeing some, yeah, I'm still seeing some white fuzz come off of it. So I would just want to make sure that that wasn't going to consistently happen, because I'd just be picking fuzz off of me all day, and that would make me crazy. So I just want to make sure that I wasn't going to get fuzz on everything that I wore. So I'd have to figure out what to do. So this is a maybe for right now. Next up is the elbow sleeve button front floral top by Calvin Klein. This one is the most, or this one is $69. I was going to say it's the most expensive, but it's not. The jeans were the most expensive. $69 for this. So I liked this. Once I put it on, tucked it, I did the front tuck. Even tried on with the other cardi. I thought this was a really nice choice. I think this would also go with some of the jackets that I already own, and I thought it was pretty. So obviously the 30% off price would be much better. So this is also a maybe. And then we have the polka dot top. I thought this was cute. Nothing wrong with it. It's $42. What did you guys think of this one? The little mixed media top. It's a cute basic. Nothing wrong with it. And then the Fringe skinny jeans. $72. I like these. I thought they were fun. Nice little weekend jean. Fun color. I like them. $72 for these. So I think I would just have to think about what would be the best items to keep. Either I keep all to get the 30% off, or keep 3 or 4 and get the 20% off, and figure out what would be my best budget decision, right? I could probably live without the pocket tee and the polka dot top. So the difference between the 20% off and the 30% off, I'd have to see if it was worth it, because I really do think the jeans are fun. And then I have to decide, it might come down to whether the cardigan's going to shed all over everything or not. If I can see if I can get some of the fuzz off of it, because if it's going to shed on everything, that'll make me crazy. But I like it. It's a fun, warm, soft, cozy sweater going into fall. Overall, though, I thought this was a great box. I think the choices were nice, and I think Renee did a great job, and I enjoyed it. So please let me know what you think. What do you think? If you had to pick, would you do a buy all? Should I do a buy all, or should I just pick 3 or 4 and get the 20% off? Tough decisions, right? But a great box. And not a bad price for all. $172 for all 5 items really isn't bad. Okay. Help me decide. Please, please, please comment below. I will put my link to Natalie Attired below in case you'd like to give this box a try. Please consider hitting that like button. I hope you enjoy spending some time with me and my sidekicks. And I would love if you'd hang around for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, everyone, I hope you have an awesome day. Bye. Say bye.